That crackling fire, that breathtaking sunset, they sure do paint a perfect backdrop for all those memories. That weekend with the grandkids, that one last hurrah before the big day. Or maybe you need a small place to stay while you build your home sweet home. Create memories and make them sweeter with Upper Cumberland RV Park.
Upper Cumberland RV Park is ready to help you create memories. Ready to be your landing place until your next big move. Ready with all the necessities you need to feel right at home.
Upper Cumberland RV Park of Sparta has rental spaces available now, offering full hookups for water, electric, and sewer, featuring paid laundry facilities, bathrooms, and a local store on site.
Upper Cumberland RV Park, centrally located near Burgess Falls, Fall Creek Falls, and Center Hill Lake. For post-retirement downtime, a spot to reconnect with the kids. Affordable relaxation is waiting. Make Upper Cumberland RV Park your destination. Come for the waterfalls, stay for the sunsets. Make memories at Upper Cumberland RV Park.